Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, and in this video I'm going to be talking about divs and span. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. Thank you. So let's go right into it. This is a div here and this is a span. And what basically divs and span are? Div and spans are like containers for grouping other tags. We could say they are containers for grouping other tags. They are also tags, but they are tags for grouping other tags for purpose of styling. Let's say you want to style the paragraph and the unordered list, for example, and you don't know style each of them one by one, each of the elements, don't to style each of the elements one by one in CSS, and you want to just style all of them at once. You could either use a div or a span. But the main difference, that is just their similarities. They are both containers. But the difference between div and span is just a simple difference. The div groups elements in block forms, while the span group elements in inline form. Let me give you an example to show that, then we'll go to the purpose and see how that looks like. Let's say div, and let's just see. Let's put the link here. Let's say home, and just copy this. Let me paste this a few times. Let me create this for the span too. And just change this home, about, and let's say contact. Sorry for my typing. Contact, and let's just copy this and paste it down here. Let's copy this. Well, let me paste it down here. Let's just move this and change this to span, and change this to span also. And let's save this. So let me show you what I mean by the block and inline form. So let's refresh this. So we could see coming. Oh, there's a mistake, sorry. Sorry about that. Let's see, div. Let's see, hello. Hello. I'm gonna just copy this some other time. Let me see how this would be. And let's see. Let me just copy this. I'm gonna show you that the div is a block form of element. Is a block element, while the span is an inline element. That's what I'm trying to show you with an example. I'm looking for a perfect example that will show you what. And why I didn't use this a example, the a example is an inline example, is an inline element, so it won't really show you what I wanted to show you, but I think this example will do. So you could see the div. This is the divs and these are the spans. So you could see that the div is a block element, or is in the block form, while the span is in inline. And what it means to be a block form or inline. It means a block element usually contains the whole width of the device or the screen, while this inline form does not contain the whole. Times you can stack them side by side, but the block form, it can only be stacked top and bottom, top and bottom, top and bottom. So if you understand what I mean, like the block forms, it contains like this hello world now, because this is a div and this is the block element. It contains this, the whole of this space. So even if there is nothing here, the next stuff that will be there will be stacked under it. But that is not the same with the inline. The inline, it does not contain the whole width, so you can put stuffs, you can put elements or tags or anything to put side by side. So that is just the main difference between the div and the span. They are both containers, but the div is the block form element while the span is an inline form element. So thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and comment what you think. Thanks and bye.